Hi everyone. I'm a total beginner at volleyball. I used to be nervous to try it, but I finally joined a beginner class and it's been so much fun. Even when I mess up my passes, I love the thrill of perfectly executed spike, the satisfaction of a solid block and in the net, and the incredible teamwork that goes into every single point. History and background of volleyball. Created in 1895 by William G. Morgan and Julio, Massachusetts, volleyball was initially meant to be a recreational activity for those who found basketball too intense. Originally named Mintonet, it got its current name when a spectator noted the ball was volleyed. It spread rapidly across the US and globally with first, first International Federation founded in 1947. Indoor volleyball became an Olympic sport in 1964 Tokyo Games, and beach volleyball made its Olympic debut in 1996. Basic rules in volleyball. First is serve. The game starts with a serve from behind the end line. If the serve fails, opponent scores a point and gains the serve. Number 2 is the rotation. After winning the serve, players rotate clockwise one position. Incorrect rotation results in a fault. 3. Ball contact. Each team can touch the ball up 3 times. Blocking does not count as a touch. A player cannot touch the ball twice consecutively, and carrying, lifting, or throwing the ball is not allowed. 4 is blocking. Only front row players can block. Blocking serve is prohibited. Basic skills in volleyball. Serving. Underhand. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Toss the ball low in front and strike it with the heel of your hand or forearm to send it over the net. Overhand. Toss the ball high and slightly in front. Raise your hitting arm and swing forward with the ball with your palm. Receiving. Components are proper stance are alignment, court awareness, quick reaction time, consistency in targeting, and adaptability to different ball types. Setting. The skill of positioning the ball the, the ball in the air for a teammate to spike. Spiking. The act of hitting the ball forcefully over the net to score point. Front row. Blocking. Front row players jump near the net, intercept an opponent spike using their overhand to deflect or stop the ball from entering the court. Importance and health impact. Learning volleyball is valuable beyond just sport. It fosters teamwork, communication, discipline, and strategic thinking as players coordinate plays and adapt to opponents. Physically, delivers significant health benefits. It's improved cardiovascular endurance through constant movement, build strength in the legs, core, and upper body, enhance agility, balance, and hand-eye coordination.